whole world knows I got the magic touch. Come and taste it, got you falling in love.
Good morning. Oh, today is the day. I go to the Capitol. First, I'm gonna go get me something to eat. And then, I'm gonna bring that back to the room. Why they got a microwave in every hall? As you got, like, what happened to the microwaves being in the rooms? This place here, I don't know. Plus, this is the second time I've been here to this one in Lansing, and they gave me problems. So, they gave me problems the first time I came. I gave them my credit card. They want to give me problems. Okay. The company ended up buying, doing what they had to do. The same thing happened today. I came in, the company told me, they said, don't worry about anything. It's going to all be taken care of. I get to my room, I get a call from the desk saying that something was wrong with the card. They were lying. Anyway, let's get something to eat.
Floor 1.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, and you?
Good.
But they just wanted, us to become Catholic too, so that's just, I think why they.
I came down here this morning to work out, and I did not see this gym. I went to the wrong place. I just now saw it. I'm mad. I could have worked out this morning. It's too late now. So I am back at home after that long trip to do my advocacy work. So I ran into Target, you know, to get me a couple things. You know what irritates me the most? As I was leaving out, I had it was this horrible smell. Somebody just passed gas and they probably walked right out of the building and just left that behind. Just so ignorant. Like you are about to be outside. Do it then. Why have somebody be subject to walking into your bliss? Ugh. Let me get in this car. I gotta stop and get some fruit. Hold on, you guys. Okay. Oh my goodness. I need to get some fruit. And I'm gonna go to the cheapest place I know. Aldi's. Okay. Do I have a quarter? Oh, I might not be going to Aldi's. I gotta see. I need a case quarter. Back in this. Wow, I left. You know what? Honestly, it was worse.
Me.
Hold up.
Is it just me?
Hold up. Not today. It was worse where I just left. I went to, where'd I go? I went to Detroit and Lansing, Michigan. Man, please. Their tax dollars is smut. Their tax dollars, I don't know what they're doing, because let me tell you something. The snow there was ridiculous. Yeah. All right, let me concentrate. Let me get off this line. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, I'm back, Jack.
It never rains here. It never rains here. I don't know why it rained today. Oops. And I got some
What you got to
here,
say? Huh?
And
Ain't nobody out there. Ain't nobody out there.
I have about
What you
5 pairs of
fussing
leggings
for?
And 2
Little
pairs
old
of
man.
jeans.
Nobody's even here. You hush. Lay down.
Knows I got the magic touch. Come and taste it, got you falling in love with my fragrance. That's how it goes. Just in case you didn't know, yeah. Say my name when the beat drop low. This game, let the whole world know. Smooth ride, we'll don't we play when you hear the sound. Remember my name. Say my whole world knows I got the magic touch. Come and taste it, got you falling in love